up in front of y'all's mailbox to check y'all's mail. Dang, I can't reach this one. And watch it not even be ours. Nope. Majority of that stuff was not ours. But anywho, hello you guys and welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. I am about to get on the road and do some stuff for work. And I was checking my mail. I got a package. Hope you guys are having a good day so far. A great week. Yeah, it's been pretty busy for me. Let me get y'all from this angle and I will talk to y'all in a minute. Hey y'all, so sometimes my job requires me to go out to boondock places in the good old Oklahoma City. So I thought I'd take y'all along for a little bit of my drive. I'm almost there. I got about 10 more minutes to go. But yeah, I just be playing my music, bumping, jamming or whatever. Sometimes I'll ride quiet because this is the time for me to have a peace of mind and, you know, maybe think about some stuff. Think about some things that I want to do, some goals or something like that. The trees, I don't know if y'all watched the other vlog a few back when we had that ice storm, so the trees are like still jacked up from that. Probably won't ever be the same with the branches just broke or whatever. But yeah, this is what my days be like sometimes when I'm not doing other interesting stuff. Oklahoma's really flat. Just like a lot of land, very country. So yeah, we have like a lot of small towns that's like scattered around on the outskirts. I'm a city girl. I'm not no true city girl like maybe New York City type city girl, but I'm definitely not country. Okay, I'm definitely not country. People think in Oklahoma people still riding around on horses. Yes. You can catch people riding their horses on the street in the city. But not me, not I. Ain't no hay rolling around or nothing like that. We do got hay, but it ain't no hay rolling around. But I don't know, I guess city for Oklahoma is like maybe more suburban, or depending on which part you live. Cause I grew up in Oklahoma City, but me and Babe, we kind of moved to the outskirts, suburban area, about 20 minutes away from Oklahoma City. So, or probably not even really 20 minutes, maybe like 10, 15. It's all highway. But anywho, I just wanted to show y'all what my view be like sometimes, what I be doing. Y'all know that's what Vlogmas is all about, showing y'all what we do during the day. Oh, look at that house. I hope y'all can see it. They have a lot of pretty big houses out here. I should have showed them to y'all when I was on the other part. But I'll probably be back out this way next week, so maybe I'll put it in a vlog next week. So yeah, I'll be back. That's not the fire station, maybe the water, I don't know, not sure. All right.
and pheromones. The conversation flows a couple of hours, see how it goes. I really trust my senses, catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. In loving not for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like feeling kinda tipsy, didn't drink so I don't get it. I must be high but I'm just guessing. It's something in the way you talk, I'll show my hand, let's play it out. Putting my heart up on the table. I really trust my senses, catch me if I fall. So done with second guessing, you seem to have it all. In loving not for anything emotional too soon. You got my invitation, now the rest is up to you. Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like it's getting kinda personal. I know my inhibitions, I just let them go. Stole my heart just like a criminal. I think it's time you let me know if you wanna. Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get you over, treat you right. We vibing like Kick it, rendezvous, make some time for me and you. Get together, you and I. We vibing like
Here he go. All right, y'all, real quick. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I want to come over here and close it out. I love you guys so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.